Day, welcome. Bit damp, soggy here in France, but still. So one of the things I see is a reluctance by business owners to invest in their people. And I don't mean that in terms of training, but if you've got a fast growing business and you've got confidence in your marketing, your added value, and you're bringing and attracting new clients, new customers, you've really got to stock up on your people, either their training, their ability, or the physical number of them in your systems. So in my experience, and we had this when we had our own companies, I see it in the clients we work with now, if we have big contracts coming in, we can see the futures getting bigger and brighter. We recruit before we need the people. We recruit them, we train them, and maybe our overheads are a bit high for 3 or 4 months, but I prefer to have a bit of slack in the overhead so when the work turns up, we've got the ability to turn it through and don't have to panic and people go into burnout and we let the customer down and quality suffers. I would actually trade short-term profit for long-term growth, because if you're not very careful, if you don't invest in the people early on, you can't get the work done, you let the clients down, you lose the contracts, or you're doing 90 hours a week, driving the van, working the machines and doing everything else as well, which is not your job as the business owner. So invest early. If you have confidence in your marketing, you need to know the work's going to come. But if you've got that confidence and you build the systems, hire the people before you need them, because again, short term, it may cost you a bit of margin. Maybe you'll dip a little bit for a quarter, but it will just insulate you in the future as well. So quick tip for you. Anyway, quick update from the cottage as well, because we've been busy today. You can see over here, we've got the concrete blocks. These are the frames all done and stained, and I'll show you if I can real quick. We've got the feet, the bolts. Just 1 second. Here we go. There. So those bolts are for the feet, which go on the bottom of these beams here, and then these beams stand up onto those feet, and we bolt them in, and we've got a terrace or a deck. There we go, that's the plan anyway. So that's the excitement here from the cottage. So 2 videos in one today. How cool is that? Anyway, have a lovely evening, and we'll get this all finished off towards the weekend. I'll keep you posted. But yeah, invest in your people first and sacrifice short-term profit in terms of long-term growth. There we go. Quick tip for today. Have a lovely evening. See you soon. Bye for now.